Okay, so now we're gonna look at some more advanced ways to use the gumball. The gumball is very simple to use. Once you get the hold of it, you're gonna see it's a fantastic tool also to create and be inventive with your models, okay? Later on, probably not today, we are going to look at ways to use the gumball as a generative tool. That means that we can take shapes and we can uh, correct them after we have done them to achieve the type of design that we want, okay? And then you will see that designing becomes really a pleasure because it will be a seamless organic process in your way of thinking and generating ideas, okay? I can show you later a couple of examples of stuff that we have done with the students last year. It's gonna be fun. So say that I have um, a box again. Now one thing that I can do, I can use the gumball to extrude the box. So if I want to extrude, like for instance, say that I want to go up in this direction, I can use, I know that up it's in this axe. What I can do, I can simply move the geometry and then click Control once. Oh, sorry, click and hold. I always forget this. And now I create an extrusion. So basically you have the possibility very quickly, say that you're designing a building, to create, say that this is a bridge, you want to create a bridge, you can create very quick shapes. You move, okay, you select first the geometry, with Control Shift you select the face, then you move the face without clicking anything, and then you click and hold Control, Steuerung. And this creates then the extrusion. You see, now I've created very quickly, without thinking about it too much, a bridge or something similar. I'll show it to you again. So what you have to do, you select the face that you want with Control Shift, then you move the face. You don't do anything else, you move it. And then you click Steuerung, you click and hold Steuerung, Control. And the extrusion is now done. It is super simple. Another thing that you can do, you can select a face, say that you want to put, this is a wall, for instance, I'm giving an example, and you want to put a picture on this wall. How can you do this? I select the face, then I click Shift and Alt to make a copy of this face. Now the copy that I made, it's a separate geometry. If I select it, it's on its own. And I can use that geometry now to make, I don't know, a picture or another element on the wall. Another thing that I can do, I can click on Alt and I can make a lot of copies of the same element. And this gives you a lot of freedom because then, you know, you can take these elements, do a command which is and you can start modifying your geometry to achieve like super cool looks. Okay? But we're gonna look at these commands later. Okay, so these are the more advanced ways to use the gumball. And now I'm gonna give you a little break, and then when we come back, we gonna start designing something so that I can explain you the use of more tools.